my friend Sebastian. Today we're going to be showing how to install a typical fireplace using Stone Slicks material. We're going to be demonstrating how to use a new Stone Slicks product. It's called U-Stone. It's an adhesive product applied by a caulking gun. It's a lot cleaner than the typical old standards, which would have been mixing a cement product. So this is a lot cleaner, faster, and we're just going to be demonstrating how this application is done. If you're doing this in home, you obviously have a nice hardwood floor carpet. You want to lay a tarp down on the floor to protect any damage or avoid a mess spreading. And what we're going to be doing now is we're going to be using a concrete board. We're going to be cutting it into pieces, applying it to the drywall, which the stone will be adhering to.
Apply the concrete board to control the studs.
So we're done prepping the wall with the concrete board. It took us about half hour. Whenever you're doing this for yourself, especially for the first time, always make sure you're using the side of the board that has the Prince writing on it, not the back.
We'll be starting with the corners, and with the corners, we start with an alternating pattern where we have the long side going one way, and the short side, long side. You want to make sure for the corners and the flats you have shims laid across the entire surface of the floor, just to account for the discrepancies in the floor if it's a bit uneven, and to have a little bit of a gap between the bottom of the stones. Again, we're using the U-Stone adhesive to adhere the stones to the concrete board surface. And as you'll notice, it comes with a nozzle that has this little V cut out for it. So what you're going to do is when you're applying the adhesive to the stone, you want to hold your gun vertical, squeeze out strips like this with the V pointing away for you. It creates this little mound that will guarantee a good adhesion to the stone on the wall. You want every kind of 3 to 4 inches, lay a few strips and corners on both sides, of course. Once you have that, you simply glue the stone on the wall.
Got this guy. I'm going to apply about 3 strips of glue because it's a large piece. Breaking up vertical and horizontal lines. So as you see here, we have a bit of a horizontal line. So to break that up, we're going to find 2 pieces now. 2 pieces where we're going to break that horizontal line. That, as you can see,
another option for a fireplace is to install a beam. Here we have a rustic old barn beam that we got, and what we did first is we measured out the length of the fireplace to center off the beam, measured off the beam. Now what we're going to do is install metal strapping to the back of the beam, and we measured that to align it with studs behind the fireplace, and then we're going to mount the beam to that. Veneer Fireplace is to have a TV mounted above it. As you can see, our electrician already gave us an outlet right here conveniently, so we don't have to fish anything out. And what we do is we take a 2x6 that is about the same thickness as a stone, just to move out the bracket away from the wall so it's not right up against the wall and the stone becomes problematic. So once again, we measured out the center. We're going to find a couple of studs.
Ceiling towards finishing. We want to try and keep the stone closer to our reach so we're not climbing up and down the ladder. So what we do and what you can do, what we recommend is protecting the beam by just putting any type of paper. We took the cardboard paper from the packaging and we taped it so we can keep the material and our glue adhesive up near us without worrying about damaging the surface. Finishing up, some small little pieces left to fill, and then we'll be cleaning up, and that'll be that. A short day's work.
The glue takes about a few hours to dry, so by the time you're finished at the top, you can start taking out the shims at the bottom. It'll be safe, it'll be set. Now the last thing to do is to put on the mirror and the front pane glass on the fireplace. So as you can see, our fireplace is completed. It looks beautiful, it works great. It was very clean, and as you can see, the final product is beautiful. Thank you for watching, and tune in next time.